Hey guys, right now I'm gonna refill my mower. I'm gonna just give it a quick filler. Oh, fiddlesticks. Can't believe it. But I gotta give it a quick. You know what, guys, I'm just gonna aim the camera like this. I don't care. It's gonna be harder to fill it anyway, so. That shouldn't be enough, actually. Piece of shit can. Oh, that should be it. Let's do it. Should have speaked a little bit. So you can tell this is regular gasoline because that's just about to. See, that's like just about to evaporate. So here we go. Here's the startup. I'm gonna set this aside since it can create sparks and shit. All right, guys. Here's a second startup for you. Oh shit! You can see that. One pull, guys. It's amazing how this thing runs. Dusty as fuck, but yeah. So I just showed you that. Do you guys want to see the blade? Yeah, here. This thing, you can see the blade. See, that's a nice sharp blade. I don't know if this thing is a drain plug for the oil, but I gotta check anyway, so. I don't know. It will have one. It's got an overhead valve. It's got its overhead valve too, so. Whoop. Overhead valve, OHV, overhead valve. Spark plug. That's a spark plug in there. Sorry. There it is, see? Smaller than the yard man, which I don't know. Don't actually have a tool I can use to get that damn thing out when I need to take it out to replace it, so.